Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, where you can find the most in-depth video walkarounds on our different Ford and Lincoln vehicles and some how-to videos. So if you like some of that content, you might want to hit that red subscribe button down there so you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to learn a little bit about the remote start settings. A lot of your vehicles now are coming with Ford Pass Connect, which allows you to remote start the vehicle from anywhere using the app if you've connected your vehicle. So I'm not going to run through how to connect your vehicle, but I will run through how to be able to adapt your remote start settings for summertime and wintertime and what all these mean on these screens and where to find it as well. So now there are 3 different ways to find it. Depends on what configuration you have and what vehicle you have. So like I've showed in some other how-to videos, you know, a lot of your F-150 Super Duties and Expeditions will have the 8-inch productivity screen like we're seeing with this particular vehicle. And in the screen, this is where you're going to find that. At the top, you're going to see the tabs up there. So just move on over to the Settings tab and go, and you're going to be looking for Advanced Settings. Click on Advanced Settings, then you're going to click on Vehicle. And then you're going to go down to Remote Start. That's where you're going to find that information. Now, if you have the 4.2-inch productivity screen, that one on your F-150 XL, XLT, as well as Super Duty XL and XLT will have the 4.2-inch productivity screen, or even the 2.3-inch productivity screen, as well as some of your other cars and some SUVs, basically your S and your SEs, will have the 4.2-inch screen. It's going to be pretty similar. On the left side, you're going to be using the D-pad to move down till you get to Settings. You're going to click Settings, and from there on their settings, you may have advanced settings, just like we did with this one. Hit the advanced settings, and then you're going to hit vehicle. So basically, you're going to be looking for a vehicle in your settings section, and then of course go down to remote start and click the OK for there. Now, on your Escape, Explorers, and some of your other vehicles for the 2020 model year, they moved it to the new Sync 3.2 is what a lot of people call that. And on this screen, you're going to control it all here instead of your productivity screen. And so in that set, you're going to go down to the bottom over here to Settings. So you might have audio, climate, you may have phone, you may have even navigation down there. But look to the right, you're going to see Settings. Click on Settings, and then you're going to be looking for Vehicle. Once you click on Vehicle, you're going to see the same different settings we're seeing here. So you're going to want to go down to Lighting, touch the lighting, or I'm sorry, we're going to talk about Remote Start. Go into Remote Start and click on that Remote Start, and then you're going to be able to see the same rundown that we're going to do over here on the 8-inch productivity screen. So first thing you want to do is go into Climate Control, because the Remote Start can control your climate control. So when you remote start it, what is it going to do? Is it going to turn the defrost on automatically, or is it going to do last settings? So auto means that that's what you want to have that set at during the winter time. So what it's going to do is it's going to turn the defrost on, get the defrost running, warm your car up inside of the vehicle. Last setting will adjust it to whatever your climate control was on when you got out of the vehicle the last time. So especially in the summertime, when you normally have your air conditioning on, you would want to switch that over to last setting for the summertime. You can remote start your vehicle, so that way it's cooling the inside of your vehicle down a little bit, or at least has it running so that when you get in, you can easily lower that temperature real quick, and it's going to adjust much faster than it would if you just get in your vehicle. Now, if you go back left and then you go down to the seats and wheel, so if you have heated seats or heated steering wheel, you can adjust that too. So hit OK there, and you're going to see an auto and an off. Auto, just like we did with the climate control, it's going to go ahead and turn the heated seats on and the heated steering wheel when you remote start the vehicle. Basically, you want that in the auto setting during the winter time. The off will deactivate that, so it won't turn the heated seat on or the heated steering wheel on. So during the summertime, make sure you switch that over to off so that it doesn't turn on your heated seat during the summertime when it's warm outside. Move on over or move back, and you can go down to duration. Click duration. That allows you to how long your vehicle is going to be remote started for. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Wintertime, you may want to have that on 15. Summertime, you may only need 5 minutes. So you can adjust that as well on how long it's going to remote start for. Now, it will cycle through 2 times before you have to come in and start the vehicle before deactivating it. So that's how you're going to do that. And also the system there with the checkbox, what that's for is if you don't want that activated, so somebody can grab your phone, grab your remote start the vehicle, you can deactivate it so your vehicle will not remote start at all. So that's how you're going to configure that. Look for your settings, look for vehicle, and then go into remote start, and that's where you're going to find those different settings. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, leave the comments down below if you have any questions, and it's always hit the red subscribe button down there so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. So hope you enjoyed this video again. Until the next one, we'll see you later.